2021 was wild. Tom Brady was promoting crypto exchanges. GameStop hits $325 even though the stock was dead. Amateur traders were outperforming the most successful hedge fund managers. Everyone seemed determined to defy the COVID-enforced poverty and become millionaires by betting on crypto. From high school kids trading on their phones during Zoom to older ones who missed out on the dot-com era. They weren't going to let another bubble pass them by. It's difficult to know exactly how many people turn themselves into traders, but if the rise of verified users of cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase is to be used as an indicator, there are millions upon millions of them. Coinbase grew to 73 million by September from 32 million at the beginning of 2019. It's a lethal combination which basically brought us here. It's greed and fear. The fear of succumbing to the COVID-19 and financial policy flaws, and greed to finally live in luxury with minimal effort. One click here, read something here, and off you go. In fairness, a few were there, especially the ones who bought in early for the actual faith in crypto promises to change our flawed financial system for the better. I personally hold no judgment if you're there for the money or if you're there because you believe in crypto or if you're looking at a little bit of both, which is basically me. I want to make profit, but I do believe that crypto and the way money is could change dramatically. I also take pride in an active part of that industry and what it's creating. There's an intellectual revolution happening. Coins and blockchains are being created not just to address a need, but to anticipate future ones, to create new processes, to level the playing field for all investors, employees, and creators. I always encourage diversification. So even though we sell gold and silver and other precious metals and noble gold investments, you'll never hear me advise against investing in other assets. In fact, I encourage it. I also own a crypto exchange, My Digital Money. However, I advise you practice caution and choose very carefully what coins you'll invest into. The value of many coins out there is derived solely from the strength and influence of communities surrounding them. With crypto projects, essentially, there's often no underlying cash flow or real fundamental economics at work at all, nor is any blockchain innovation necessarily required. And the barriers to entry are practically non-existent. Look at what happened to the Squid Game coin. It plunged to nothingness in literally seconds. But after all that I just said, there's a lot to gain too. There's many stories of people investing in coins at 10 cents, and then after a year, the coin goes 3 digits. The only thing I always recommend are 2 things: consult a financial advisor and invest in a hedge. When you have an asset that could protect you from any kind of economic distress, you're better protected from all the risks that could happen out there. Determine what is the minimum amount you need to have and invest that in a hedge so that you have the minimum amount to fall back on if things fall apart. That's where we can help. Gold is the ultimate hedge and choice of billionaires and countries, and we know why. It makes sense. It's a safety play. We have associates that will be there to answer your questions if you want to learn about it. We're not going to pressure you into buying anything. If you just want to learn about precious metals, give us a call at 877-646-5347, and we'll get you ready for next year in 2022.
If you're interested in investing in precious metals and you want to talk to a no-hassle representative that has experience in physical metal, give us a call. Phone number is 877-646-5347. Our phone lines are always open, and we're happy to answer any of your questions.